What is up, Toyota fans? This is Andrew from 4Runner Customs. Today we're back with another 4Runner video. We're going to teach you how to reset the maintenance light on your vehicle. So as we start this car up, we can see that after the ignition sequence is gone, the maintenance light stays on. Now that means you need to change your oil, or at least the system thinks that you need to change your oil. So let's reset it. Now the first step to do this is while your car is on, make sure that it is on the odometer screen, not trip A, not trip B, but actual odometer. It should say ODO on the left side and have your total mileage displayed. After that, turn the car off. From there, you want to hold down the button on the right-hand side that controls the odometer. It is the long, skinny button. It's the only one on the gauge cluster itself. Now, while holding the button down, turn your ignition to the on position and keep the button held. Keep in mind, the on position, the car is not cranked. It just activates the electronics. This is what it looks like when you do so. Your dash will light up. Notice the maintenance light on the left-hand side blinks and then disappears, and that has successfully reset your maintenance light. You can then, from there, crank your car up or turn it off, whichever you desire, and you are good to go. If you're looking to upgrade your 4Runner or earlier Toyota and make it stand out, please check out our website, trailrunnercustoms.com, link in description. Thanks.